Stress, anxiety, and burnout can drain your energy and steal your focus. But what if you could fight back with just a few simple moves? Exercise isn't just for your body. It's one of the most powerful tools to boost your mental health. In this video, I'll show you science-backed exercises that can help you feel calmer, sharper, and more in control. Whether you're a gym lover or a total beginner, these tips will work for you. Stick around to the end because I'll share the 8 exercises that's been proven to reduce stress fast. And if you're ready to take charge of your mental well-being, hit that like button and let's dive in. Number 1, walking, the ultimate stress reliever. Walking may seem simple, but it's a powerful stress buster. A 20-minute brisk walk lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and boosts endorphins, the happy hormones. Bonus, walking outdoors enhances the calming effect. Research shows that regular walking modifies your nervous system, reducing anger and stress. As Joyce Schulman, CEO of 99 Walks, puts it, walking reduces cortisol, helping you feel less stressed and more relaxed. A 2018 study found that just 10 minutes of walking lowers anxiety and boosts focus. Plus, a 2022 study in molecular psychiatry revealed that a 60-minute walk in nature significantly decreases stress-related brain activity, unlike urban walks. So go touch some grass. To stay safe while walking, walk during daylight or in well-lit areas. Wear reflective gear if walking after dusk. Stay aware of your surroundings and avoid isolated areas. Walk with a partner when possible. Keep your phone with you, but don't text while walking. And avoid turning your headphones up too high. Stay hydrated and bring water with you. Number 2, dancing. Move to the beat of joy. Dancing is one of the most fun and effective ways to boost your mood and relieve stress. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, salsa, or just freestyle moves in your living room, dancing releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that help reduce anxiety and lift your spirits. Studies show that rhythmic movement lowers cortisol levels while improving coordination and brain function. Plus, dancing is a great social activity. Whether you're in a class, at a party, or dancing with friends, it strengthens connections and fosters a sense of community. So put on your favorite playlist, turn up the volume, and let loose. Your mind and body will thank you. Benefits of dancing: improves cardiovascular health. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, and dancing fits right in. Boosts cognitive performance. Research suggests dancing helps maintain and even improve cognitive function as you age. Enhances mood and reduces anxiety. Dancing is an expressive movement that helps release tension, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Number 3, running. The runner's high is real. Ever heard of the runner's high? It's that euphoric, feel-good sensation after a good run. Running floods your brain with endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood boosters, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Beyond the endorphin rush, running also lowers cortisol levels and promotes better sleep, leaving you feeling more balanced and refreshed. Plus, studies show that consistent running improves brain function, enhancing focus and memory over time. If you're new to running, start slow, jog for a minute, walk for a minute, and gradually build up. Whether it's a light jog or a full sprint, getting your body moving can do wonders for your mental well-being. Before you know it, you'll be hooked. Number 4, stretching. Simple yet powerful. Stretching might seem basic, but its benefits go beyond flexibility. Just 5 minutes of stretching releases muscle tension, improves circulation, and promotes relaxation, making it a powerful tool for stress relief. Stretching also helps reduce stiffness caused by prolonged sitting and can enhance posture, which contributes to overall well-being. A quick morning stretch can increase blood flow and energy levels, setting a positive tone for the day. In the evening, gentle stretching helps calm the nervous system, making it easier to unwind and sleep better. Incorporate movements like neck rolls, shoulder stretches, and forward bends to feel instant relief. Whether you do it as part of a workout or a standalone habit, stretching is a simple yet effective way to boost both physical and mental health. Benefits of stretching: increases flexibility, helps maintain mobility and prevent injuries, improves performance in physical activities, Dynamic stretching prepares muscles for exercise, increases blood flow to muscles, enhances recovery and reduces soreness, reduces stress and tension headaches. Stretching relieves physical stress stored in muscles. Number 5, hiking, nature's therapy. Hiking is more than just a workout, it's a mental reset. The combination of physical activity and time in nature creates a powerful stress relief effect. Studies show that spending time in green spaces lowers cortisol levels, improves mood, and enhances creativity. The rhythmic movement of walking uphill or along trails helps calm the mind, while fresh air and scenic views provide a natural mood boost. Even a short hike can make a big difference. Whether you're exploring a forest trail, climbing a hill, or strolling through a park, being surrounded by nature reduces anxiety, sharpens focus, and fosters a sense of peace. Plus, hiking often involves unplugging from screens, which helps you reconnect with yourself and the world around you. So lace up your hiking boots, take a deep breath, and let nature work its magic. Number 6, group sports, stress relief through teamwork. Sports aren't just about fitness, they're about connection. Whether it's basketball, soccer, volleyball, or even a casual game of tennis, playing with others boosts your mood and reduces stress by combining exercise with social interaction. The physical activity releases endorphins, while the teamwork aspect fosters a sense of belonging and combats loneliness. Studies show that engaging in group sports lowers anxiety, improves self-esteem, and enhances resilience. The camaraderie and friendly competition provide an extra motivation boost, making workouts feel less like a chore and more like a fun challenge. So grab some friends, join a local league, or hit the court. Your mind and body will thank you. Benefits of team sports: reduce obesity and improve health. Regular exercise helps prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease. Encourage commitment to fitness. Joining a local sports league helps you stay accountable. Enhance endurance. Physical activity builds cardiac strength, bone density, and muscle mass for overall well-being. Number 7, strength training. Build strength, reduce anxiety. Strength training isn't just about muscles, it's a mental game changer. Lifting weights reduces anxiety and depression, boosts confidence, and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. Plus, it releases endorphins, making you feel stronger inside and out. Start with light weights or bodyweight exercises like squats or bicep curls. Even 20 minutes a few times a week can improve mood, focus, and sleep. The more you train, the more resilient, both physically and mentally, you become. Benefits of strength training: makes you stronger. Strength training improves your ability to perform daily tasks like carrying groceries or playing with your kids. It also enhances athletic performance in sports requiring speed and power. Burns calories efficiently. Building muscle boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories at rest. Strength training also increases your metabolic rate for hours, even days after a workout. Reduces abdominal fat. Strength training is linked to lower visceral fat, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Number 8, yoga, balance for mind and body. Yoga is a game changer. It's not just about flexibility, it's about calming your mind. Yoga combines deep breathing, mindfulness, and physical movement to reduce anxiety and improve focus. Poses like child's pose or downward dog are great for beginners. Trust me, this ancient practice has stood the test of time for a reason. Benefits of yoga: improves flexibility and balance. Yoga involves stretching your muscles, improving flexibility, and enhancing balance, which are crucial for overall health. Reduces stress. According to the American Psychological Association, 84% of American adults feel the impact of prolonged stress. A regular yoga practice can help manage stress levels and improve quality of life. Improves mental health. A 2017 meta-analysis of 23 studies concluded that yoga is an effective alternative treatment for major depressive disorder, MDD. Both movement-based yoga therapies and breathing-based practices have been shown to significantly improve depressive symptoms. Reduces anxiety. The Anxiety and Depression Association of America suggests that anxiety disorders are the most common mental health disorders in the U.S. Studies indicate that yoga may be an effective alternative treatment for anxiety disorders. Yoga Nidra, a body scan meditation, has been shown to reduce anxiety symptoms. And there you have it, 8 powerful exercises to boost your mental health and crush stress. Remember, movement is medicine, and even small steps make a big difference. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And if this helped you, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, keep moving, keep growing, and take care of yourself.